Uh-oh.
Why are you following us?
Easy now. We're just looking for our friends.
I don't suppose you've seen the Mice Squad?
The Mice Squad?
The Mice Squad are here?
Oh, you've heard of them.
Heard of them? We're like their biggest fans.
Yeah! I still can't get over how amazing their new song is.
We haven't seen them, but let us know if you find them.
I'd love to get their autograph. Later, dudes.
Well, that was unexpected.
So the wolves haven't seen them either. I'm afraid this case has gone cold.
I'll say. The temperature's dropping. We gotta find Bill and Jill before they freeze out there.
All we have is their distress call.
Come get us. I repeat, come get us.
Maybe there's some clue we missed.
I don't think we missed anything. All I hear is that great beat in the background.
Well, it's good, yes, but I wouldn't call it great just yet. Listen, it's offbeat. Do you hear it?
You're right. Those drums are all messed up.
They might not be drums at all. Listen.
It almost sounds like... The musk oxen headbutting! Bill and Jill must have been near them.
So the musk oxen are mixed up in this. But how?
We'd better go back and ask them, whether they like it or not. Come on!
Look, there they are.
Hey, musk oxen! Wait up!
Ugh.
I thought we already warned you not to come back here. Whoops.
Uh-oh. We're standing on a frozen lake.
Get back to the shore!
No, we're babies.
This is bad, Sam. Musk oxen are not good swimmers. Come on!
We've got to get them back to shore.
Those ice floes. Maybe... if we...
On it, Kit. Cluebot, go! Wait for it. Wait for it. Now!
This way, everybody.
Just one more.
Whoa! There you go.
Our babies! You saved them!
Just doing our jobs, ma'am.
You might want to consider getting this little guy a haircut, though. He can barely see where he's going.
Not mine.
Did I say something wrong?
This strange-looking fella doesn't belong to any of us.
He doesn't.
Actually, I don't think this is a calf at all.
Is it a wolf in oxen's clothing?
This is no wolf.
It's the Mice Squad! They've been here all along!
Oh, hey guys.
Bill, Jill, we got your distress call.
Come get us. I repeat, come get us.
Are you okay?
Distress call? You mean this?
We're doing undercover work in the Tundra. No need to come get us. I repeat, no need to come get us.
Cold weather must have scrambled it. Weird.
But why were you undercover?
That's why. We wanted to record that sound for our new track.
We didn't even see you guys under all this fur.
We're just glad you're okay. Everyone at Clade will be so relieved.
Another creature case.
Closed.
So, you were recording our headbutting to use in your song?
Can we hear it?
All this dancing is warming me up.
Oh yeah? Just wait till you see my cool moves.
You're looking pretty cool, all right.